Please. Yeah, start, sir.
So we come from the south, and the moment we step in the restaurant, it was welcoming, a warm welcome, smiling staff, always a good service, and even the food are excellent. So I recommend you to just come and try it, and you will not regret it. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Today, so please come at our La Reverie Sea Boyo restaurant. आप सभी को फिर से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.